When life gives you lemons, toss them aside and eat a cookie instead.
Okay.
Our next guest is giving us a sweet treat with her mouth-watering recipe.
And it smells incredible in here. It's taking all of the willpower to restrain myself. Dr. Kyri Mosley is a stage 4 cancer survivor, mother of 2, and a doctor turned entrepreneur. The Brooklyn native is the founder of Kyris Cookies. A cookie so delicious, even Oprah agrees. She just so casually named it one of her favorite things of 2023. So if you know, you know.
Without any further ado, Dr. Kyri Mosley, welcome to New York Living.
Thank you so much. I'm so happy to be here.
We not as happy as we are.
A moment for the lab coat. I don't know what you call it.
Her chef's coat.
Her chef's coat.
She's the cookie
Look
queen.
at this. She's a cookie queen spelled with a K.
Show everybody there.
And
The cookie queen.
K-W-E-E-N. I want a coat like that.
All right, doctor. How do we go from being a doctor to baking cookies and have them be Oprah approved?
I think basically it was just dealing with trauma, to be honest with you. When I started with Kyris Cookies, that was in 2009.
Okay.
I had gone through a divorce. And so I decided with my son that I would bake cookies and send them to Iraq and Afghanistan. So that's how it started. So we fast forward 12 years. We've been giving them away for 12 years. And then I get stage 4 cancer. And I didn't know that was gonna hit me like that. But once that happened and I went into remission, I decided I would do my cookies full time. So that's really how it all began.
A life-changing event.
Yes.
What a story. It started with sending them to the troops overseas, and then, oh my goodness.
Fantastic.
Did you find that the baking
Healing.
was cathartic? Yes. Because I've heard that said before, and I find it to be true.
It really is true. Especially right after the cancer, it helped me to push myself. People would place orders, and so I got to go to the kitchen and bake. And so I just loved it.
Something to distract the mind as well.
I
Follow
needed
the
that.
directions.
Yes.
That's right.
And you get a perfect product.
That's right. Well, also, baking is a science.
It is.
Yes, it is.
So there you are. And if you caught Oprah's attention, you know how to make the perfect cookie.
Yes.
So could you do a girl a solid?
Yes.
Can you show us how
and
to?
so the basic things for a perfect cookie is about ingredients.
Yes.
Key ingredients. And so you always want to start with fresh butter. I personally suggest organic butter, grass-fed butter. I mean, it's
Unsalted
that's it.
grass-fed.
Unsalted gas. You got it.
That's it.
And then as far as your chocolates, you want to choose the best chocolates. I personally do not use any white flours or white sugars.
Wow.
So that's what I believe is the key for a perfect cookie. Just make sure that you use high quality ingredients. At the end, make sure your dough is chilled nicely.
Yes. Key.
And you get a nice crisp,
Okay.
Should
we do the
yes,
business
let's
of the
do it.
business?
Let's do it.
We're creaming
She's got
butter
the
over
wet
here.
ingredients over there.
Yeah, so I'm gonna add the butter.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna ask you to please add half of this flour, half of the
Gladly.
black. So you're using black
I'm just gonna
cocoa.
oversee everything.
Black
and
cocoa.
make sure.
Today we are going to be doing the Brooklyn cookie.
The Brooklyn
I was
cookie.
gonna say, what is,
How fitting.
and what is the Brooklyn
So
cookie?
the Brooklyn cookie is reminiscent of my home, Brooklyn.
You can keep going. You can keep
And
going.
so one of the things that black cocoa reminded me of the Brooklyn Blackout cake. And then espresso, of course. You know, we have the best
course,
espresso.
of
Yes.
course.
Half
and
of
then
this?
half of that. That is our black cocoa. And then one of the other things with the Brooklyn is peanut butter.
This smells amazing.
Because of the roasted peanuts on the street, you know.
Oh, I see what you did there.
Yes, and so it's amazing.
This is rich.
Okay.
I'm gonna like
It's
it.
very rich. So it's actually not regular cocoa. It's really a true black cocoa.
Yes, it's
100%.
very dark.
100%.
Whisk that. Oh, and some salt.
I gotta add a little salt.
A little salt.
That's why you
Do you
use
want to crack one egg?
I will be your sous chef all
Thank
day.
you.
Right in here.
Yes.
Okay. My hands are clean-ish. I'm so sorry.
That's all right.
Okay.
Fortunately.
Now
I love the way this
you have
looks.
the Brooklyn cookie.
Yes.
What other cookies do you have?
Well, I have the oatmeal cran raisin. I have a chocolate chunk with walnuts. I also have a Georgia pecan turtle.
What?
It has fresh pecans and
Which one was
caramel.
Oprah's favorite?
All of them.
All.
Yes, honestly,
Every single one.
I was so fortunate that she chose the Kyris Cookies collection, which had all of them.
Sure.
Yeah, so.
Where were you when your PR person or Oprah herself called and said?
Actually, I received the phone call. I was leaving Emory Hospital in Georgia, getting my scans. And I had just gotten the best news that everything was still clean and clear.
Fantastic.
And I got a phone call.
I'm going to come behind you.
What?
and help out.
I can't think of a better phone call. to
Yes,
receive. Doctor, I've done all the dry ingredients.
Okay.
Good job.
So through the magic of television, we imagine you finished
Yes,
blending.
I finished
We
this.
combine, everything's together. It's baked in the oven
For
350, and you're gonna go anywhere from 10 to 12 minutes, depending on the size of your cookie.
Okay.
So our cookies are 6
Then
ounces.
These are nice sized cookies.
Yes.
those cookies mean business. It's almost
They
as big
do.
as my face.
Am I allowed to eat one of these?
Please, please do.
Please do. Okay.
Oh, yes.
We love that originally born and bred in Brooklyn,
Yes.
down to Atlanta, but you kept
I
your
gotta break
roots.
off a piece of
I
this.
did. I was born in Brooklyn, New York, but I live specifically in Red Hook Projects, and that is my
Gosh,
home.
That's
Are you
delicious.
serious right now?
so good, so yummy. Remind folks where. Oh, actually, do you have a favorite cookie spot in New York? or
In New
Brook-
York, Levain is my favorite cookie spot. I mean,
knows.
come on.
Okay.
I
She
know.
knows.
Okay.
And in Georgia, it is Kyris Cookies.
Obviously, it'll be ridiculous. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you for having me.
Oh my
Yes.
God, so happy for you.
Thank
And so
you.
happy for myself and us.
I can't wait. Yeah. If you would like more information about Dr. Kyri, you can head to our website, pix11.com/New York Living.